Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I am going to be working on this project. This came to me from DPClubs. I will leave the link in my description box so that y'all can go check this out. This is called Skeleton, and as you can see, it is already framed. And it comes with these two, I don't know what these are called, but this is what you hang it up with. It does come with all of your drills, the pearls in this. It came with a standard toolkit. It did come in this box, so it was well protected. I'm going to just be using one of my pins, but you can see there is a plastic film over the top, and what we're going to do is we're just going to pull the plastic off, and it is stapled in there with this. Oh, and this is a 20 by 20. There is the canvas number if you need that, but I'm going to leave the link in my description box. So we're just going to pull this off of here. They do this to keep it protected, so, which is a good thing because you don't want, you know, the sticky coming off of anything. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull that off. It's fine if it rips. It doesn't matter because I am going to start and complete this project. So I don't care how this comes off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this project, and then I'm probably going to pause it and then come back and show you the completion. So again, this is called Skeleton. This is on DPClubs website. This was a $11.99, and it does look like the ones that you have seen elsewhere, but this is pearl painting. So we're gonna see what this looks like when it's completed. So stay tuned, and I will be back with a completion. Alright, well, here it is. It is completed. It took me roughly an hour to complete. And it is gorgeous, y'all. Again, DPClubs, $11.89, $99, something like that. Not a bad price. It's already pre-framed, wooden frame, plenty of drills left over. So check out my description box. Link will be there. And right now DPClubs is having a sale on their website, so go check them out. So there it is. I hope y'all liked it, and thank you to DPClubs for sending this to me. And yeah, looks great. All right, thanks for watching.